In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop random people adding you on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Snapchat. Then go to your profile and hit at that gear icon to open up settings. Once you are on settings, just scroll down until you find privacy controls, and that's where you should find see me in quick add. Just tap on it, and as you can see, this option is enabled, and as long as it's enabled, your profile may be shown at someone else's profiles and anyone can add you as a friend without even knowing your username or your phone number. If you don't want random people to be able to add you on Snapchat, just hit at that switcher to turn this feature off. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.